What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to install a street faction wing on an FRS. As you can see, my wing already taken some of it apart, but has not held up the test of time. This was the result of a replica Rocket Bunny product, which I would not recommend. Alright guys, so I've obviously chose a pretty great day to wear a white shirt. Hands are a little on the dirty side, but check it out. So far we've gotten the bumper off. It's actually right over there, if you can see. So from here, you just take off the old bash bar, and then I had to take these off too. But yeah, it's a pretty straightforward process. Take off your bumper, take off your bash bar here, and then that's where we reinstall the new one, and the X-frame, and then of course the carbon wing. And there's one at the bottom as well. All right, so now we got that off of there. This is what we're working with. Yes, the car used to be red and is now white and very dirty. All right, so we got the wing off. As you can see, it was all busted up. All right, it was its time. It did its time. So the car looks way different without the wing on. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but now this is what it looks like. Keeping these on until I get a new trunk. Yeah, so now it's time to throw that one on. All right, so now we got the rear bash bar on, nice and sturdy. Looks pretty damn good. Honestly, it doesn't look bad just like this, but let's keep going. Looks pretty sick. All right, so after your super awesome girlfriend gets done unwrapping this for you because she feels terribly sorry about how dirty you got your favorite white shirt, now you are able to put this on and then mount your wing up. I'm gonna do my wing last. I'm gonna do this first. I feel like that might be a little easier. I could be wrong. Test it out and see for yourself, but I'm gonna do it this way. Well, it's definitely functional. It's a good sign. Oh wait, hang on, stop the video. All right. So this is extremely lightweight stuff right here. Look at that. Look at that. 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Street Faction makes some good stuff. Alright, so wing is all installed and finished up. I'll show you guys the finished product right meow. car is dirty as right now, but this is the outcome right here. I kind of like mocked up this this little thing. I don't know how I'm gonna like actually mount this, but that's kind of what I'm working with for right now. But I mean, not bad. Don't mind my fucked up side skirt, gotta fix that. There's a lot of things I still gotta do to this car. It's a project. But yeah, this is it. I like it. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Hope this helped. If you guys needed any tips on, I guess I didn't really show too much of the process of installing the wing, but I mean, shit, I'll show you guys how sturdy it is. All right, so I'm literally on top of the wing right now. If you can see. So it holds my full body weight. It's pretty good stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna go get a smoothie bowl.